Let's do the rooster dance together. The stars go high, the moon goes sleep, past the cows and the quiet sheep. The farm is still, the air is cool, but someone's jumping, that's the rule. He shakes his feathers, 1 and 2. He's wearing boots of golden hue. He's climbing up the wooden fence to sing a song that makes some sense. Take a breath and puff your chest. He's waking up the birds in the nest. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the sun is yellow and new. Cock-a-doodle-doo, Mr. Rooster is calling you. Flap, flap, stomp, stomp, stomp. Wake up everyone on the street. It's a happy, sunny, funny day. The cows say moo, the ducks say quack. The piggy goes oink with the snack on his back. But the leader of the morning band is the bravest bird in all the land. With a bright red comb on top of his head, he's telling us, get out of bed. Cock-a-doodle-doo, the sun is yellow and new. Cock-a-doodle-doo, Mr. Rooster is calling you. Flap, flap, stomp, stomp, stomp. Wake up everyone on the street. It's a happy, sunny, funny day. Shh, be very quiet. Mr. Rooster is getting ready. Can you feel the sun? Now jump! 1, 2, 3, go! Up, the sun is up. Sing, 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 let your voice ring. The flowers open, the grass is green. The prettiest farm you've ever seen. Mr. Rooster takes a little bow. The whole wide world is waking now. Thank you, friend, for the morning song. We'll be singing it all day